Hello students. So in this video we will learn about objectives of business. We have already done with economic and non-economic activities and about business, profession, employment and their characteristics. So today we will learn about objectives of business. So students, the objectives of business are its driving force. These are the factors that keep the business running. So let's learn further what are the objectives of business and or how they are classified. So the business objectives is a goal, that is where the business wants to reach in the future. For example, a business wants to set up a franchise in another state in the next 3 years, or it wants to increase its workforce in the coming month. So business needs objectives. So without objectives, the business is like a car without headlight, driving blind. So objectives of business are the purpose for which the business is established and performed. We can call objectives the cornerstone of every business. So the objectives are needed in every area where the performance and result directly affect the survival and prosperity of a business. So students, the right choice of objectives is critical for the success of the business. Yes. So the objectives of a business can be classified into three main categories. Okay. And that are economic objectives, then social objectives, and human or individual objectives. So, as we learned in the previous topic that business is an economic activity. Hence, its purpose is to show economic results. So, let's understand the economic objectives of the business. So, they are as follows. So, number one is profit earning. So, students, business is a set of activities undertaken with the prospects of um, sale for the purpose of earning a profit. So, profit is the extra income over the expenses. So, the main objectives of any business is to earn a profit. Just like as a plant cannot survive without water, similarly, a business cannot sustain without profit. So, profit is necessary for growing and expanding business activities. So, profit guarantee a consistent stream of capital for the modernization and augmentation of business activities in the future. So, profit likewise show the scale of stability, then efficiency, then and advancement of the business organization. Then number two is survival. So, every business aims to ensure that it continues to survive and exist in the future. So, the objectives of every business is to survive in the market. Yes. So, a business face a lots of competition. So, the objectives of business will be to face various types of challenges and survive under different situations. So, it will be possible only when the economic position of the business is sound and it is able to face adverse situations successfully. So, our number 3 point is growth. So, a business will stay in the market if it is able to grow with the passage of time. Yes. So, growth is an important objective of every business, and it will be possible only if the business is earning proper profit. If if you have started a business and if you are not earning a profit, then you cannot survive for a long. Yes, so for a successful business or to survive in the market or for the growth of a business, you need what? You need to earn a profit. So profit is only able to finance its growth and expansion. Yes. So our fourth economic objectives is creation of customer. So creation of customer or demand is essential in order to earn profit. So in the long run, the survival of the business completely depends upon the market share captured by the business. So the creation of goods and satisfaction of the need of the customer is a crucial purpose of the business. So to generate profit and demand, the business must supply premium quality and give value for the money products. So our fifth point is innovation. So students, innovation refers to the introduction of new ideas or new methods of production. So innovation normally means to change process or creating more effective process or products and ideas. So nowadays business is ever changing and dynamic. So to keep up with the growing competition, a businessman has to introduce efficient design or latest trends or upgrade machinery, or they have to introduce new techniques. Yes. So a large corporation invests a amount of capital in their research and development department to boost innovation. So our sixth point is optimum utilization of resources. So optimum utilization of resources available with the business are generally limited, and it refers to the best use of money or materials or machine. Yes. So the resources are scarce, and their proper utilization will help in improving the economic position of the business. That means employing efficient and competent workforce, or making full use of installed machinery, or minimizing the wastage of material. So students, hope you understood this topic, and in our next video we will learn the next objectives of business. That means the social objectives of business. Thank you.